Learn English to Hindi probability words, probably, apparently, possibly in
Hindi.
Welcome to the kingdom of maybe. Hey, you're about to learn some extremely useful Hindi words for sounding smart, careful, and just uncertain enough to avoid trouble. Basically, today you will learn how to say, I am not totally sure, but I still want to talk. Imagine a dramatic movie trailer voice. In a world where nobody knows anything for sure, one brave learner discovers the power of
शायद, संभवतः,
and.
जाहिर तौर पर.
By the end, you will also know how to say
यदि आवश्यक हो, कुछ परिस्थितियों में,
and.
संदेह में.
Yes, this is your official diploma in advanced polite uncertainty. Your core words today. Let's meet the stars of today's chapter one by one. Listen for the feeling in each word, not just the translation. Probably in Hindi is
शायद,
example, it will probably rain today. In Hindi, Asia.
शायद,
Barisa hogi. Presumably in Hindi is
संभवतः,
example,
संभवतः,
he will arrive soon. Apparently in Hindi is
जाहिर तौर पर,
example,
जाहिर तौर पर.
the train is late again. Possibly can also be expressed as
संभवतः,
example, we will possibly arrive early. In Hindi, hama,
संभवतः,
jaldi pahumsenj. If necessary is
यदि आवश्यक हो,
example,
यदि आवश्यक हो,
I will stay longer. Under certain circumstances is
कुछ परिस्थितियों में,
example,
कुछ परिस्थितियों में.
we can wait. In doubt is
संदेह में,
example, when in doubt, ask a question. If you are
संदेह में.
ask. A very suspicious weather report. Now let's put the words into a funny story. Weather is perfect for uncertainty because weather apps love being confidently wrong. At 7 a.m., the weather presenter looked at the sky and said, today it will
शायद,
rain,
संभवतः,
become sunny, and
जाहिर तौर पर.
also surprise everyone. The viewers were not impressed. One man picked up an umbrella.
यदि आवश्यक हो,
Another said, I will go outside only.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में.
For example, if breakfast is waiting for me. A third person stood at the door completely
संदेह में,
holding sunglasses in one hand and a raincoat in the other. Moral of the story: sometimes vocabulary is more reliable than the forecast. Mini dialogues you can reuse. These short dialogues are useful in real life. Repeat them out loud and steal them shamelessly for your own conversations. A. Will you come tomorrow? B.
शायद,
A. Where is Ravi? B.
संभवतः,
He is at the office. A. Why is everyone carrying umbrellas? B.
जाहिर तौर पर.
It will rain soon. A. Should I call the doctor? B. Yes.
यदि आवश्यक हो,
A. Can I leave early? B.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में.
A. Are you sure? B. No, I am.
संदेह में.
How the words feel. You do not just want the translation. You want the personality of each word.
शायद,
Feels everyday and common. It is your friendly, probably, or maybe.
संभवतः,
Sounds a bit more formal, like a detective, professor, or thoughtful narrator speaking carefully.
जाहिर तौर पर.
Feels like you have clues. You are not inventing the idea from nowhere. Something seems visible or evident.
यदि आवश्यक हो,
Is conditional and practical. It means only if needed, not right now, not automatically.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में.
Means it depends on the situation. It is the phrase of wise grandparents, careful managers, and people who refuse to answer directly.
संदेह में.
Describes your state when you are unsure. If your brain says, this phrase is nearby. Memory tricks that actually stick. Let's make these words memorable. A little silliness helps your brain hold on tighter. 4.
शायद,
Imagine a shy dad answering every question with, probably. Did you eat breakfast?
शायद,
Are you wearing shoes?
शायद,
4.
संभवतः,
Imagine a serious detective with a magnifying glass saying,
संभवतः,
the sandwich thief is the cat. 4.
जाहिर तौर पर,
Picture a giant neon arrow pointing at the obvious clue while dramatic music plays. 4.
यदि आवश्यक हो,
Imagine a giant red emergency button labeled, press only.
यदि आवश्यक हो,
Naturally, a cat is already standing on it. 4.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में,
Picture a gate that opens only when the weather is nice, the moon is full, and someone brings snacks. 4.
संदेह में,
Imagine yourself at a crossroads, staring at two identical doors, both labeled, maybe. Quick practice drill. I will give you a cue in English. You say the Hindi word. Then check yourself. Probably.
शायद,
Presumably.
संभवतः,
Apparently.
जाहिर तौर पर,
Possibly.
संभवतः,
If necessary.
यदि आवश्यक हो,
Under certain circumstances.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में,
In doubt.
संदेह में,
The great quiz of uncertain confidence. Time for a tiny quiz. Be bold, but not too bold. This is a chapter about uncertainty, after all. Question 1. What Hindi word means probably? Answer.
शायद,
Question 2. Which phrase means apparently? Answer.
जाहिर तौर पर,
Question 3. How do you say if necessary? Answer.
यदि आवश्यक हो,
Question 4. Which phrase means under certain circumstances? Answer.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में,
Question 5. If you are unsure, which phrase means in doubt? Answer.
संदेह में,
Question 6. What Hindi word can mean presumably or possibly in a more formal style? Answer.
संभवतः,
Your challenge for today. Now use the words like they belong to you. Tiny active practice beats passive reading every time. Say out loud, it will probably rain. Then replace probably with.
शायद,
Say, apparently, the bus is late. Then insert.
जाहिर तौर पर,
Say, we will call the doctor if necessary. Then use.
यदि आवश्यक हो,
Say, under certain circumstances, I agree. Then use.
कुछ परिस्थितियों में,
Say, I am in doubt. Then use.
संदेह में,
Bonus challenge. Make one funny sentence with.
संभवतः,
For example,
संभवतः,
the cat is the real manager of this office. Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just trained your brain to handle uncertainty in Hindi without panicking, which is honestly a life skill in any language. Today you learned.
शायद, संभवतः, जाहिर तौर पर, यदि आवश्यक हो, कुछ परिस्थितियों में,
And.
संदेह में.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use the phrases in your own sentences, and come back tomorrow for more English to Hindi vocabulary. And remember, if you forget a word, do not worry. You
शायद.
Just need one more repetition.